Hello friends, welcome back to another video of Handy Gift. I hope you'll have watched these two videos. If not, do go and watch it. The links are in the description below. Continuing with that, I had asked y'all if y'all want to watch the actual treasure hunt that happened. Majority of y'all said yes. So in this video, you'll be seeing a sneak peek of the actual treasure hunt. So without wasting time, let's begin.
Sulaksha had asked me if I could say something about the treasure hunt. So, what can I say? It was the biggest surprise birthday I ever had. My friends Priya, Prakriti, Pushpa, Anuksha had come to Sulaksha's home. Akshita and Meghana had also sent me a gift. My brother, my mom, Sulaksha's mom and sister had also been part of this treasure hunt. Sul had put a lot of effort to prepare those clues and 22 gifts since it was my 22nd birthday. Throughout the game, I was in shock and I couldn't come back to reality at all. I don't know how she managed, but it might have been easy for her since she's very creative. She had made so many handmade gifts as well for me. I'll cherish those 22 gifts and memories of my birthday forever.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.